Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be decorating more cupcakes because it's the boys' birthday party. And so what are we gonna talk about while we are decorating cupcakes? So the one thing I wanted to talk about is I saw a video posted by a guy who's in supply chain management. So he was talking about the importance of owning a truck, or the importance of owning your own vehicle. Like for instance, if you're gonna start a business of delivering products, maybe from macro to a person's house, or you're delivering petrol or gas. The importance of the ownership of the actual truck. Why is that important to own it as a business owner? It's because it's very risky to rent a truck, and when you're put yourself in that kind of risk, you can be left with issues where you now have to pay someone to use their truck to deliver an order, and then that becomes very, very expensive. Okay, continuing. So what other, if you are an entry level, like you own a bakery, what other supply chain ideas can you come up with? So another supply chain idea would be to go into supply chain by maybe buying a scooter, or buying it's called a motorbike. So basically that motorbike would then deliver products for people. So you can find you can now list your scooter with a bigger supermarket, so that scooter can then deliver products within a specific radius, and then you can then brand your scooter to say hot cupcake, and then the scooter goes and delivers coffee, quiche, but it has to operate within a specific radius, because obviously a motorbike can't travel out too far. So you have to be very cautious about your radius and how far it can travel, but it can deliver like small goods like cupcakes, a coffee, a quiche. So those are the other supply chain ideas, or within transportation, that you can consider.
And they spoke to my father to speak to Kumar, so that Kumar is not put in this problem of going genuinely to court.
That's it. No way. Yeah, so we're still decorating.
The secret of Ivan is outlined is exactly what I'm saying. And I said to you, where I get one the most is when you take instructions from a stranger, being a former national commissioner, being a former minister of police, and implement those instructions, because you implemented the request of Makala. He asked you to intervene and intervene. And you implemented the instructions of Makala without even verifying the credibility of Makala. You rely on a version of one person of Makala.
Pause. Thank you for watching the Marketing and Supply Chain YouTube channel, and tune in for more tips on marketing, supply chain, and how to get products from A to Z, or how to brand, market a product to launch it on the internet via digital marketing or e-commerce.